Making muffin bread in a bread machine is a delicious and easy way to enjoy the flavors of muffins with the convenience of a bread maker. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil or melted butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup fresh or frozen berries, blueberries, raspberries, or mixed berries work well. Instructions: 1. Prepare your bread machine pan by greasing it lightly with oil or non-stick cooking spray. 2. In a microwave-safe bowl or a small saucepan, heat the milk until it is warm but not boiling. It should be around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. Add the vegetable oil or melted butter to the warm milk and stir. 3. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk the egg and vanilla extract together. Pour the warm milk mixture into the bowl with the egg and whisk until well combined. 4. In another bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix well. 5. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in the mixing bowl and stir until just combined. Avoid overmixing, a few lumps are okay. Gently fold in the berries. 6. Pour the muffin bread batter into the greased bread machine pan. 7. Set your bread machine to the quick bread, or cake, setting, depending on your model. If your machine has custom settings, choose one with a total bake time of about 60-70 minutes. 8. Start the bread machine and let it do the work. It will mix, knead, and bake the muffin bread for you. 9. Once the bread machine completes its cycle and the muffin bread is baked, carefully remove the pan from the machine. 10. Allow the muffin bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. 11. Slice and serve the muffin bread as is or with a bit of butter or cream cheese spread on top. Enjoy your delicious muffin bread made right in your bread machine. Feel free to experiment with different types of berries or add nuts and spices for extra flavor variations.